Hello and welcome back to another session of Richard Katzman fly tying, and I have a size 8 bait fish hook, and it has 3 barbs, and there's one down near the point which I just mashed, and then it's got 2 up on top here, and we'll just go ahead and I'll mash those down. Okay, and we'll just place this in my vise, lock that in place, and now I'm going to take some white thread, and this is Danville 210, and we're just going to go ahead and start by dressing the shank. Okay, and we'll put in a 1/2 hitch knot. And now I'm going to take a small liner tube, and I'm just going to put that over the point of the hook, and that'll keep me from jabbing my fingers. And now I'm going to take some after feathers from pheasant cape, and I'm going to take a pinch of those. Okay, and I'm just going to take another pinch of those. Alright, and we'll put in another 1/2 hitch knot at the back and pull that tight. And now I'm going to take a long after feather, which is located down at the bottom of the feather I was just showing you, and I'm going to lay this on the shank, and then I'm going to go ahead and tie this forward. And then I'm going to take a white cape, and it's from whiting. A nice little white cape here, white feather. It's a hen feather, and we're going to go ahead and tie that in, and put in a 1/2 hitch knot. Bring my thread over to the side. Okay. And now I'm going to take my scissors and I'm just going to press these fibers back along the stem, and what that does is it allows me to direct the fibers backward, and it makes it a lot easier to tie this on. Okay. And we'll go ahead and we're going to go ahead and tie this in. We'll reach in and cut off the stem. And I'm just going to go ahead and tie this back. And I'll take my Velcro brush and I'm just going to brush these fibers back. Okay, and now I'm going to take some gray whiting hen hackle, very similar to the white one I just put on, and trim off a few of the fibers at the bottom. Okay. And now I'm going to also take these fibers okay. And now I'll turn this over a little bit and I'll just put my scissors in there and cut off the stem. And now I'm going to take my pull back the fibers and we'll put in a half hitch nut. And now I'm going to put in a whip finish. Okay. And we'll cut off the thread. Okay, now I'll take some small eyes. These are going to have a little blue in them. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take turn my fly over and put some super glue down. I'm going to put in this eye. And now I'm going to take another one of those eyes. Okay. And I'm just going to adjust that eye up a little bit. And I'm going to take my super glue Okay. And we'll just put a little bit of hardener. And we'll drop another little bit of hardener. Right over that. And I'll reach in and I'll pull out that small tube and take the fly out, and we'll move this back so that you can see it. Great little fly, and I think it's going to do really, really well in the water. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please click on my photo down at the right lower corner of the screen, and then click the bell on the next screen. And if you'd like, give me a thumbs up on this fly. I look forward to seeing you on our next upload. And until then, have a great day, and of course, tight lines.